Welcome to Villa Vista degli Angeli. This gem in the Dolomites is up for sale. Come and check this out. Come and see this beautiful dining area with this modern fireplace here. Look at the light coming from the outside. And this wonderful kitchen, brand new with induction cooktop and this amazing balcony with a view on the Lago Rai. This is the main living area. And then we move outside on the balcony. There are 3 bedrooms, 2 downstairs with a private bathroom and toilet. And now let me take you to the best part of the house. Come and see this. This is the master bedroom with your own private living room. And the best, look at this. Your private master bedroom with your own office, toilet, and a mezzanine upstairs with another living room where you can watch TV. You can relax here and watch TV directly from your bedroom with a view. Are you interested to find out more? Send us a DM and organize an inspection for this beautiful gem in the Dolomites.